Hey, this is Brian with the Seat Shop, and today I'm going to try to install this cover onto this foam, blindfolded. I can feel this side here is probably wrinkled at first.
Blindfolded, no wrinkles. That's crazy.
But first, if you like this video, help me out, hit the like button. All right, so this cover is from a 2003 through 06 for GMC and Chevrolet for all their full-size trucks and SUVs. I'm going to see if I can install it on the foam and on the frame. It's got the seat pan here. So I'm going to do a complete install. The only thing I'm not going to do is cut the holes out for a power control panel. But the first time I've tried this blindfolded, we'll see what happens. Here goes nothing. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty good. All right, now time to take the blindfold off and see what it looks like. Oh, dude, that's freaking perfect. Ain't no wrinkles on that anywhere. That's pretty money. Well, folks, I've done thousands of these, but I've never put one on blindfolded. You know, obviously don't try it blindfolded when you buy a cover. However, I do have step-by-step instructions that go through this entire thing, not blindfolded, and walk you through all the steps. Man, this thing's, I couldn't ask for it to come out any better than that. I don't have any ripples, any wrinkles. This isn't steamed out yet, but man, this thing is perfect shape. You can see towards the end I was kind of feeling down the sides of these seams, trying to see if I was feeling any ripples or see if I needed to kind of pull cover, you know, forward or back or anything like that. But man, that looks pretty dang good. Hey, if you need help getting your seats redone on your truck or SUV, give us a call. Go to theseatshop.com. Call us at 214-710-2565. We'd love to help you get the seats redone in your truck and get your truck looking good again. Dude, that's money.
That's awesome, man.
That's money.
I was a little wrinkly, but he'll
yeah,
fix it.
I can feel this side here is probably wrinkled at first.
Blindfolded, no wrinkles. That's crazy.
Dude, that's